I'm Jessica.
And I'm Courtney.
Together, we own Creative Wooden Things.
I have always had a passion for woodworking. I began this journey in 2017 when I purchased a scroll saw and began carving my own designs. I sold to local people and attended craft fairs. Jessica always helped me with my designs and has such creativity. Together, we knew we wanted to own our own business and have the flexibility to care for our families. That's when I approached Jessica about partnering and doing this together.
We knew it would be challenging living in different states, but with our passion, creativity, and determination, we knew we could make it work. After a few months of cutting out with the scroll saw and stenciling our signs, we realized we were not very profitable and had to find a quicker and easier way to complete production. That's when we discovered the X CARVE.
This was the turning point in our business.
This machine could do everything we needed to grow our business and be profitable, but we could only afford one. Living in two different states, we knew this would be challenging as one person was left carving with a scroll saw while the other used the X CARVE. Despite this, we knew the benefits of owning an X CARVE would be invaluable to our business.
Since purchasing the X CARVE, the demand to fulfill orders has quickly increased. The X CARVE has allowed us to increase our production, provide faster turnaround time, and has increased our profit margins. We have been able to take our creativity to another level. Our struggle has been getting products to each other between Idaho and Wyoming. We ship a lot back and forth and make the 402-mile trip to exchange products frequently.
With a second X CARVE, we would no longer have to do this. It would save us time on labor, allow us to add more inventory, and give us more consistency in our products. In turn, this would give us more time to focus on the things that really matter. Growing our business.